Hello, I'm in a 2014 Chevy Spark, and today I'm going to show you to fold your seats. So for these rear seats, there's this tab here you pull up, and then now that'll release this so it'll fold forward. And it works the same for that other side as well, this knob over there. And you're ready to fold this back up. Just pull this seat belt over the top so it doesn't get trapped. And then right here is where it'll hook into the seat. So when you push this back, it'll lock back in place, so now it's nice and secure. And then for these front seats, we'll see the side. This one will lift and that'll release the front so it can go forward. And if you pull this up and push back, that'll set it back. And then once this is back down in this down position, it locks it in place. And then to move the whole seat forward or back, you can lift this, and then now the seat's free to slide forward or back. And when you're done adjusting this, you just release this bar, and when it's down, it locks it in place. And then this just adjusts the whole seat up or down. And it's a similar process for this passenger side with that bar and that little side lever. But I hope this is helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.